manager here at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
It'll be 10 years this fall.
What is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
I just enjoy the variety of work that we get to do and how involved we still get to be with the other departments throughout the dealership, as well as the guests.
If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
I would like to travel out west and visit some of the national parks out there.
What do you like to do during your free time when you're not at work?
Outside of work, I enjoy spending time at the gym. I enjoy reading. My family and I like to also spend time outdoors on our acreage.
Thank you.
Thank you.